Merlin here. Well, things have changed. We're going to be moving from this location, and I'm having to downsize. So as you might remember, I had the big UH-18 I was working on. That was not going to fit into our new location, so I sold it off, did some trading, and picked up an old 1989 HoverStar 2+2. I had a HoverStar before, and it was a pretty good craft, so I decided that's what I wanted to find to replace the UH-18. And yeah, I found a project. When you're talking about buying swampland in Florida, I don't think it's supposed to be in your hovercraft. But this is the beginning of this beast, and we're going to do a complete rebuild, and we will document the whole rebuild. And it's going to be interesting, to say the least, because, well, here's the beast. Trust me, it looks better from a distance. Right now, as you can tell, the floor is full of water and leaves. But it gets better than that. Somebody painted it with a paintbrush. So the paint job is really, really crappy and faded out. The thing's been sitting outside for I don't know how long. The windshield's knocked out of it. Windshield's broken on this side. There's more of the swamp with leaves and everything. But it gets better. The engine's not even bolted down. As you can see, the engine's not even bolted down. And it's not even the correct engine. Hoverstars usually have a Yamaha 45 or a Rotax 503. Somebody apparently was attempting to install a Suzuki engine of the Arctic Cat variety, we don't know what size it is. It's either going to be a 440 or Suzuki 500. But as you can tell, the exhaust pipes don't line up, nothing lines up. So this is probably going to end up being a total re-engine project. In fact, I doubt the engine will even turn over because the thing's been sitting out in the weather for so long, doesn't even have the carburetor on it, and has been rained on, so I'm sure the engine's probably full of water also. So it's going to be interesting. The Hoverstars were known for having a flotation foam in them that would absorb water, which would make them heavier. So to replace the foam, you have to split the hull. So that by itself is going to be a lot of fun to do. So it's going to be an interesting project. Stay tuned, and we'll keep you posted as we go along.